Good morning students. Hope you all are fine. Our first chapter is measurement. In this chapter we are going to learn about the term measurement, definition and units of length, mass and time, and also some of the measuring devices used to measure. Your brother asked you to measure his height. How will you measure and tell? Your father give you a bag and asked to get potatoes. How will you ask the shopkeeper? When your brother asks you to measure his height, you will tell it in centimeter or it in meter. When your father asks you to get potatoes, you will ask the shopkeeper to give 5 kilogram potatoes or 1 kilogram potato. What is measurement? Comparison of unknown quantities with the same known quantities is termed as measurement. Comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities is termed as measurement. The term measurement contains two parts, number and a unit. The term measurement contains two parts, one is number and a unit. For example, 5 kilogram. Here 5 is the number and kilogram is the unit. Or 5 liter. Here 5 is the number and liter is the unit. To measure the quantities, we need tools. To measure the quantities, we need some tools. For example, measuring tape is used to measure the length in distance. Measuring tape is used to measure length or distance. It used to measure length or distance. Measuring scale is used to measure length of the object. Measuring scale is used to measure the length of the object. What is length? What is length? Distance between one point and the other desired point is known as length. Distance between one point and the other desired point is known as length. For example, the distance between your home to school or edges of your book is also termed as length. Standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of length is meter and it is represented by small letter m. And it is represented by small letter m. Very small lengths can be measured as millimeter and centimeter. Distance between two cities is expressed in kilometer. Distance between two cities is expressed in kilometer. It is a longest distance, so it is expressed in kilometer. Next is mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. What is your mass? If you measure it in gram, that would be a huge number, so it is expressed in kilogram. If you measure it in grams, that would be a huge number, so it is expressed in kilogram. Bigger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. Yes, the unit of mass is kilogram and it is represented by the symbol kg, small k and small g. Yes, a unit of mass is kilogram and it is represented by the letter small k and small g. The instrument used to measure mass is electronic balance and beam balance. Nowadays, we are mostly using beam balance and electronic balance. In maximum, this electronic balance is used in jewelry shops. Time. Clocks are used to measure time. Clocks are used to measure time. The SI unit of time is second. The SI unit of time is second. In olden days, people used sand clock and water clock and sun clocks for calculating time. Nowadays, we are using digital clocks, quartz clock and also atomic clocks. The SI unit of time is second. It is represented by the small letter S. Points to remember: the comparison of an unknown quantities with some known quantity is known as measurement. Length, mass and time are some of the fundamental physical quantities. The SI unit of length is meter. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of time is second. Thank you, students.